Hello everybody! In this video, you're going to be learning how to get started with GIMP either for pack making or for pixel art just in general. So let's just jump right in. And basically the first thing that you want to do is open up your browser. For me it's Brave, and now what we're doing is basically just installing GIMP. So just search for GIMP right over here, and the first link that pops up, GIMP right here, just click it, and let's just wait for this to load. And now click on download and just wait for that now, and click this download GIMP directly and then just install it. So if you click it right here, I'm just going to show you this. So it'll obviously just show this, and you can just save it wherever. I'm just going to cancel it because, well, I already have it. Now after that, you just need to open it, and this is pretty much what you should see. Now what we will do is File and New, or you can also use Control-N, which I prefer. So now set the width to 16 by 16, so we're going to be making a 16x pixel art, or basically a sword from a pack. So, and then go to Advanced Options, and fill with, click on transparency because we don't want any background. Click OK. This is where you should be. Now what you need to do is click N and then just select one pixel. Just select that from there, or you can also come here and click that. There we go. And after that, you can just set the hardness to 100. I really don't know what this stuff does. I just changed it, and now I don't remember the default, but well, I'm just going to leave it at that. And after that, just don't enable anything here. Also, let me just close that because that may be confusing. And now on the eraser tool, so click Shift E, and then you just need to turn on hard edge, so that I'm just going to show you. So right here, if I just do that, and here, let me just go to the eraser hard edge. If I turn that off, you can see it's like anti-aliased, right? But if we turn hard edge on, it's just going to immediately erase it. Now we're going to get started with the pixel art. So right here, what I'm going to do right now is just open up the color palette, which is just going to be like the color scheme for the actual sword. So I'm just going to do that. So right here, as you can see, I've just opened it up. If we just zoom in, these are the colors. So if you want the colors, you can just put this into the HTML notation, and obviously this color too. Color pick it, it's already there. So right here, that is HTML notation. Now we're not going to worry about these two colors right here. We're just going to leave it at that. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is just draw a sword right over here. So first for the outline, actually let's just go with that color itself. So go like that. Okay, like that. And oops, I'm on the eraser tool. Go like this. Oh, wait, we still have this. Okay. And there we go. And then just go like that and that. Put one pixel on each side. Go up by one, like that. And then just turn it. And then boom, 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 boom. And now, there we go. Just take that down like that. Now we're going to draw actual sword, so that's what we'll do. So let's just go up like this. There we go. And same here. Also, after you click, you can hold Shift to draw this line right there. Okay, and then just do that. There we go. We have the shape that we want for the sword. Now the first thing that I'm actually going to start with will actually be the fact that the outlines, I am just going to make it black. So like that, like that. Okay, come here. pretty simple. There we go, and it's done. Okay, let's just erase that pixel because that's an inside part. And now what we will do is basically, it's very simple. What we're going to do right now is from here, inside of this sword, what we're going to do is make a gradient. So I'm just actually going to do that. So for that, you need to click R, which is the rectangle selection tool, and then just select it like that. And we don't actually need these outside parts. So to get rid of them, you just need to hold down Control and then just do that for all of these pixels. Okay, just drag it like that. And almost done, and there we go. So next what we're going to do is obviously just apply the gradient. So for this, again, we need that. And just click G, go to the edge of that, drag it like so. So what I'm going to do now is just do the gradient. So go to the edge, drag it like so, bring it all the way down. And actually not from that, what about that? Yeah, let's actually do that, that looks better. So we're just going to go ahead, do that, click enter, and that's pretty much what we have. Obviously, this is not like the final product, but now what we will do is make like the border or outline, whatever you want to call it. So there we go, just do that, pretty straightforward. Wait, I'm actually not going to have the pixels there. And now what I want to do is just make this like a little bit darker. So what I'm going to do, select all of these. There we go. Also, I just forgot to mention this, but the way I'm doing that is by holding down Shift and then dragging, just like Control, but this selects like different squares or pixels. And now what we'll do, colors, hue saturation, lightness, I'm just going to make it, let's just do like -15 or let's do -11. There we go. Now that looks better. And the next thing that we're going to do is actually this part. I really don't know what it's called, but we're just going to do this part now. So what I'm going to do is go here, just take the gradient like that, come back here, and obviously we need to select it. I completely forgot about that. But okay, we're just going to select these inside squares. That's only where we want to apply the gradient. There we go, click G, from the end of that to the end of that, and there we go. And now we have our gradient. Now let's just do Control Shift A, which selects, like deselects everything. And yeah, that's the sword that we have right now. Now what we're gonna do is this part. Again, I do not know what this stuff is called. So let's just go ahead and we're just going to do the gradient. Actually, for this one, what I may do is just do that, and just put that one in the center. There we go, that actually looks decent. Let's just select that color and put it on that part too. Now, that actually looks pretty good already. But what I'm actually going to do is make sort of like a bevel design. So also if you guys want it, I'm just going to turn the grid on right here. So we're just going to create a new layer and we're going to call it bevel. And well, I clicked insert by accident. And now we're just going to do 51, what is it even called? 51 opacity, sorry. And let's just click OK. And we're just going to make it fully white. And I think for the bevel, we'll just do this part. And then we're going to create a bevel number 2 or bevel 1. Let's just do bevel 1 like that. And now instead, we're going to go with that kind of like gray color. And just do that. Okay, let's turn off the grid. And that actually looks pretty good now. So now, with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.